everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys this absolutely beautiful style. This is by Belletress and this is from Mimo Wigs. I have worn this style for months. I couldn't even tell you how many months I've worn this. At least 5, it could be more. And you could probably tell it needs to be washed and it has some product in it, but I felt like I really needed to get a review up of this because I've shared it quite a bit on my Instagram and I have promised a review to a few people who have asked and I had yet to do it. So since I had it on today, I thought, okay, I am going to hurry up and do a review. I don't know if it's in the best condition, needing to be washed to do a review, but I think sometimes just plopping it on and also having the chance to wear it for a good number of months, it gives you guys an idea of how well the wig has done. I love the fresh out of the box wig reviews because it shows you what you're going to get right out of that box. But I think every now and then, if able, seeing a wig after being worn a lot, that can help with your purchase. And so that's what's going on here today. Now, just so you guys know, you can get a discount over there at Mimo Wigs using the code Amber's Amigos. So just remember that. That code will be down below. And all the codes to this wig and Mimo Wigs and everything else will be down below. Now, anyway, on with RoseElla. That's what this wig is. I love RoseElla by Belletress. And this here color is one of their balayage colors. It's called Caramel Almond. Yeah, Caramel Almond. I really like this color. I've worn this a lot, like I've mentioned, and I've put a lot of product in there too, whether it be like a waxy wig spray or gels and different things like that, meant for synthetic hair. Sometimes I want more of a fluffy look and other times I want it to be more separated. So depending on what you're going for, you can easily separate those waves and just kind of like wear it how you'd like. But that's why she needs a wash, because she does have some product buildup on her. But anyway, RoseElla, she is gorgeous. Let's just look at Caramel Almond a little closer. You definitely have that balayage technique going on here with that dark brown that melts and blends into this blonde, warm blonde color down below. These balayage highlights are done so well and the two colors complement each other beautifully. I'm going to do a full turnaround right now so you can see those highlights all the way around and you can see RoseElla's waves all the way around as well. Now, RoseElla is full, but I think that mine shows more fullness because it has that product in it. What you have is this very loose, layered, beachy look. It says that the density is light to medium. I would say this is more of a medium density. And then because of the layers and because of the wave, you have more of a texturized feel, which can kind of make it even feel a little denser, a little thicker, but I would say it's kind of right there in the middle. Now, like I mentioned, this is layered. The back reaches 19 inches, but the front is a little shorter. You have these layers up here right at the front, so it's shorter, kind of tapers on, kind of chunky down to the sides. The sides are 12. The layering paired with that loose beachy wave, it's just really, really pretty and natural looking. This Belletress fiber is heat friendly, so you can take more curl to it. You can use your heat tools at a low setting. You can flat iron, you know, just change it all up how you'd like. And I do love that about these wigs, but most of the time with Belletress, I love the curl pattern and the way that they have styled their heat friendly fibers. So I personally wouldn't want to mess with it just because I love their wave patterns and this I don't know, I'm repeating myself, but they just do such an impeccable job with their waves and their curls and everything that they do that I wouldn't want to go alter it, but you can. You can. And the ends, after so long, you might want to take some heat to the ends just to smooth them out. Now this wig is part of Belletress's Cafe collection. This cap is average in size, and I would say the Belletress average size wigs fit true average. I wear average in the majority of wig brands, and I would say this is true average. This wig has a lace front and a monofilament top, so you can wear it up and away from the face. Here's a closer look of that lace front. Because of these dark knots, you can kind of see the knots a little, but it's really not bad. All right, let's take this off and I'll show you guys the underside of the cap. Okay, you guys, so I didn't lie. This is a monofilament top, but it's not a full mono. What you have is your left monofilament part. So here is that lace front, individually hand tied. Then that left mono part, as you can see. Right here you have closed wefting. That means you have the wefting underneath here with this kind of lace material. Lace meaning, when I say lace material, that's not like the lace that you see on a wig. It's more of like, I don't know, this type of lace. You guys know what I mean when I say that, right? If you dig into the hair in that closed wefted area, the wefts do have some permatease for those who are concerned about permatease. This wig has that volume and wave, so having that left mono part and then a little bit of permatease at the root of those wefts, that just gives the silhouette the volume and the shape that this wig needs to make it the style that it is, which is beautiful. So yeah, just a little bit at the roots. The rest of the wig is open wefted, nice and breathable, great air ventilation. You have this velvet nape, velvet ear tabs with the bendable wire. The adjusters at the nape, well, kind of on the side of the nape. And as you can see, I've worn her so much. She has some tangling at the nape, as you can see. Use a wide tooth comb when you are detangling your synthetic fibers. It's just going to help to keep those fibers looking their best. With certain brushes, if you're just kind of ripping through those fibers, you can get what they call like a coiling effect. And the fibers, I don't know, I'm trying to see if I can find some, but it coils up, damages the fibers, and then can lead to more matting and tangling. So being gentle with your fibers, using a detangler, and starting at the bottom, going up through the top, that is going to help you get through those tangles, keep it nice and smooth, and help with that coiling. Anyway, look at this gorgeous color. Look at the balayage, the way that it blends. They did such an amazing job with this color. You have the warmth in there. Yeah, this is definitely a warm blonde, but really there's such a dimension in this color. I can see like warmth, I can see like lighter tones in that blonde. Excuse me. You have the dark brown up top, and it's so beautiful the way that it transitions and blends into these highlights. They do a gorgeous job with their colors. All right, let's put her back on. So the total weight of RoseElla is 5.4 ounces. And like I mentioned, the sides are 12 inches. Your nape is 11 inches and your back is 19 inches. You can get this gorgeous wig over at Mimo's Wigs, along with many other brands, styles, colors, and you can use that discount code Amber's Amigos. I will have all the links down below. Definitely check them out. If you have any questions, contact Mimo, or you can comment down below or reach out to me over on Instagram. I'm happy to help if you do have questions. Let me know what you think about this color and what you think about this style, and how you guys feel about looking at a wig that's been worn for a good number of months. I'd love to know your thoughts. Anyway, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.